In a verdant jungle, where the sun's golden rays danced upon the leaves, dwelt a wise old crocodile named Clyde. Clyde was not like other crocodiles. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and kindness. One day, a young, ambitious crocodile named Charlie approached Clyde with a question. Charlie, eager to prove himself, wished to learn the secret of Clyde's wisdom. Clyde, seeing the eagerness in Charlie's eyes, agreed to impart his knowledge. Charlie, Clyde began, life is a river that flows with both tranquility and turmoil. It is the choices we make that determine our path. But how can I make wise choices, Clyde? Charlie inquired, his interest piqued. By learning from the past, understanding the present, and envisioning the future, Clyde replied. But how can I learn from the past if I have none? Charlie questioned. Listen, child, Clyde said, learn from others' experiences, for they are the rivers that flow into the sea of knowledge. How can I understand the present if it is ever changing? Charlie asked. Be still and watch, Clyde advised. The present reveals itself when you pause and observe. And how can I envision the future if it is uncertain? Charlie continued. By being open to possibilities, Charlie, Clyde answered. The future is a river that bends and twists, but with a clear mind and a strong heart, you can navigate its currents. Charlie nodded, his eyes wide with understanding. Thank you, Clyde. I will remember your words. Remember, Charlie, Clyde said as the sun dipped below the horizon, the river of life is a journey, not a destination. But with wisdom, patience, and courage, you can make your way through its currents. And so, Charlie returned to his own river, armed with Clyde's wisdom, determined to make his own choices and carve his own path. The old crocodile watched as Charlie disappeared into the twilight, a lesson learned and a new journey begun.